she noticed or she heard that Jesus was passing through that place, even though there was so much crowd following Jesus. Hallelujah. Because Jesus Christ is a man of crowd. Hallelujah. Crowd, multitude follows him anywhere he goes. Hallelujah. So she heard that Jesus was passing through there. And she used the opportunity wisely. She remembered that she has a problem. She remembered she has suffered great deal in the hand of so many doctors. And yet there was no solution. And she said to herself, if I can touch the hem of his garment, that is the edge of the garment of Jesus, I shall be made well. The crowd is so much. If I want to stop Jesus, I don't know whether he will stop or not. If I want to stop Jesus, I don't know whether this crowd will allow me to stop him or not. And Jesus is going for an important assignment. So there is no time for me to say, Jesus, wait. Hallelujah. Maybe she has reason. If she starts calling Jesus, maybe she has reason, maybe she will not be able to stop him.